Have you ever dreamed of a life without any work or responsibility? What if I told you that sometimes what looks easy may be the hardest path of life? In today's story, we will meet Golu, a donkey who thought freedom meant doing nothing, but when he runs away to the forest, he discovers something unexpected and meets a clever fox who teaches him a powerful life lesson. Stay with us till the end because this simple tale holds a message that just might change the way you look at your own life. Let's begin. The clever donkey and the wise fox. Once upon a time, in a quiet village near a dense forest, there lived a kind but lazy donkey named Golu. He worked for an old farmer, helping him carry vegetables to the market. But Golu was tired of working every day and dreamed of a life filled with comfort and no work at all. One sunny morning, while the farmer was tying sacks of potato on Golu's back, Golu sighed loudly. I wish I could live in the forest, he thought. No work, no load, only freedom. That evening, when the farmer was not watching, Golu ran away to the forest. He wandered around happily, eating grass and drinking from cool streams. But soon he felt lonely. The forest was quiet and strange. Suddenly, a voice behind him said, Who are you, and what are you doing here? It was a fox named Veer, known for his cleverness. Golu told him everything. We listened and said, This forest is not as peaceful as it looks. There are dangers all around. But if you really want to stay, I will help you. Golu was overjoyed. Thank you. You are so kind, he said. The next day, Veer introduced Golu to some animals, but the lion, the king of the forest, also heard about the new visitor. Curious and hungry, the lion decided to hunt the donkey. Veer got the news quickly. He rushed to Golu and whispered, The lion wants to eat you. You must hide. Scared Golu asked, Why are you helping me? Veer smiled because even the forest has rules. We help those who trust us and do no harm. With Veer's help, Golu himself by rolling in mud and hiding in tall bushes. When the lion came, he could not find the donkey. After a few days, Golu realized that the forest was not as easy as he had imagined. He missed the farmer, even the heavy sacks of potatoes. He said to Veer, I thought freedom meant doing nothing, but now I understood freedom comes with responsibility. Veer nodded. That's a wise thought, Golu. Every place has its own struggles. What matters is how we live with them. Golu thanked Veeru and returned to the village. The farmer was surprised but happy to see him again. Golu never complained again and worked cheerfully, remembering the lesson from the forest. Moral: Freedom is not about avoiding responsibility, it's about making wise choices. Sometimes what seems hard may be better than what looks easy.